Have you ever felt a part of yourself that you keep hidden? Carl Jung called this the shadow. It's an unconscious aspect of the personality, containing everything we repress or deny. Hidden desires, fears, impulses we deem unacceptable. We hide it from others, and often from ourselves. The shadow isn't inherently evil, though. It holds rejected parts of the psyche, both dark and light. When ignored, the shadow can project outwards, causing us to see faults in others that are truly our own. Or it creates internal conflict and self-sabotage. The weight of the unacknowledged shadow can be heavy. Shadow work is the process of bringing these hidden parts into conscious awareness. It requires courage to confront what lies beneath the surface, often beginning with introspection or therapy. Recognizing your emotional triggers is a key step. Why do certain things make you disproportionately angry or fearful? Jung believed dreams offer insights into the shadow. Pay attention to recurring symbols or figures. Observing your thoughts without judgment is crucial. Notice critical self-talk or irrational fears. Creative expression can unveil hidden emotions, allowing the shadow to manifest symbolically. Journaling about your reactions and feelings helps identify patterns. Explore moments where you felt shame or guilt. Integration, not eradication, is the goal. You don't destroy the shadow, you incorporate its energy constructively. Aggression can become assertive energy. Fear can inform wise caution. Integrating the shadow leads to a more complete, authentic self. Integrating the shadow increases self-awareness, leading to healthier relationships and greater empathy. It helps unlock potential, access creative energy, feel more grounded, and cultivate compassion. Shadow work is not a one-time event. It's a lifelong journey of self-discovery. As you integrate one layer, others may surface. Patience and self-compassion are essential. Support from others can be invaluable. A guide or therapist can illuminate the path. Embracing your shadow leads to wholeness. All the pieces of the self coming together. Living more authentically and freely. Releasing the burden of repression. Accessing vital life force. Handling life's challenges with greater resilience. Strengthening the connection to your inner world. Understanding the complexity and beauty of the psyche. Finding light within the darkness. Achieving psychological balance. Accepting imperfections as part of the human experience. Building genuine self-esteem, not built on denial. Practices like meditation can aid awareness. Education about the shadow concept. Open conversations about vulnerability. Confronting anxieties and phobias. Living a more fulfilled and integrated life. The journey of shadow work is the journey to the self.